Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to color change after software update in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, reset all settings. Open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset all settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, all settings will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, change color palette. Open settings, scroll down, click on wallpaper and style, click on color palette. Here you will see palette. Now turn on this button. Now select wallpaper color that you want to change. After selecting wallpaper color, click on basic colors. Select color that you want to change. After selecting color, click on apply. After click on apply, change color palette from your phone. And if you want to change app icon color, then again click on color palette and now turn on apply palette to app icons. Now turn on this button. Now click on apply. After turning on this button, app icon color palette will be changed from your phone. Now factory data reset. Again open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, click on factory data reset. Here you will see reset. After click on reset, your phone data, picture, video, file, document will be erased or reset from your phone. Now go back. This is how you can fix color change after software update in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.